The Good News according to Matthew. Chapter 1. The Book of the Generations of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. The son of Abraham was Isaac, and the son of Isaac was Jacob, and the sons of Jacob were Judah and his brothers.
耶稣基督世代的书，大卫的儿子，亚伯拉罕的儿子，亚伯拉罕的儿子是以撒，以撒的儿子是雅各，雅各的儿子是犹大和他的兄弟。
And the sons of Judah were Perez and Zerah by Tamar, and the son of Perez was Hezron, and the son of Hezron was Ram, and the son of Ram was Amminadab, and the son of Amminadab was Nahshon, and the son of Nahshon was Salmon.
犹大的儿子是他玛的佩雷斯和泽拉，佩雷斯的儿子是赫兹龙，赫兹龙的儿子是拉姆，拉姆的儿子是阿米纳达布，阿米纳达布的儿子是纳顺，纳顺的儿子是归于。
And the son of Salmon by Rahab was Boaz, and the son of Boaz by Ruth was Obed, and the son of Obed was Jesse, and the son of Jesse was David the king, and the son of David was Solomon by her who had been the wife of Uriah.
拉合的连鱼的儿子是波阿斯，路德的波阿斯的儿子是俄别德，俄别德的儿子是杰西，耶西的儿子是王大卫，大卫的儿子是所罗门，他曾是乌利亚的妻子。
And the son of Solomon was Rehoboam, and the son of Rehoboam was Abijah, and the son of Abijah was Asa, and the son of Asa was Jehoshaphat, and the son of Jehoshaphat was Joram, and the son of Joram was Uzziah.
所罗门的儿子是罗波安，罗波安的儿子是亚比亚，亚比亚的儿子是亚撒，亚撒的儿子是约沙法，约沙法的儿子是约兰，约兰的儿子是乌西雅。
And the son of Uzziah was Jotham, and the son of Jotham was Ahaz, and the son of Ahaz was Hezekiah, and the son of Hezekiah was Manasseh, and the son of Manasseh was Ammon, and the son of Ammon was Josiah.
乌西雅的儿子是约坦，约坦的儿子是亚哈斯，亚哈斯的儿子是西西家，西西家的儿子是马拿西，马拿西的儿子是亚蒙，亚蒙的儿子是约西亚。
And the sons of Josiah were Jeconiah and his brothers, at the time of the taking away to Babylon, and after the taking away to Babylon, Jeconiah had a son Shealtiel, and Shealtiel had Zerubbabel.
约西亚的儿子是耶乔尼亚和他的兄弟，在被带到巴比伦的时候，在被带走巴比伦之后，耶乔尼亚生了一个儿子谢尔提尔，谢提尔有所罗巴伯。
And Zerubbabel had Abio, and Abio had Eliakim, and Eliakim had Azor, and Azor had Zadok, and Zadok had Ahim, and Ahim had Eliud, and Eliud had Eleazar, and Eleazar had Mathan, and Mathan had Jacob.
所罗巴伯有亚比乌，亚比乌有以利亚基姆，以利亚金有亚素尔，阿佐尔有扎多克，扎多克有阿西姆，阿西姆有埃利乌德，以利乌德有以利亚撒，以利亚撒有马坦，马森有雅各布。
And the son of Jacob was Joseph the husband of Mary, who gave birth to Jesus, whose name is Christ. So all the generations from Abraham to David are 14 generations, and from David to the taking away to Babylon, 14 generations, and from the taking away to Babylon to the coming of Christ, 14 generations.
雅各的儿子是玛利亚的丈夫约瑟，他生了耶稣，他的名字是基督。所以从亚伯拉罕到大卫的所有世代都是14代，从大卫到被带走到巴比伦，14代，从被带走巴比伦到基督降临，14代人。
Now the birth of Jesus Christ was in this way, when his mother Mary was going to be married to Joseph. Before they came together, the discovery was made that she was with child by the Holy Spirit.
现在耶稣基督的诞生是这样的：当他的母亲玛利亚要嫁给约瑟时，在他们在一起之前，人们发现他与圣灵的孩子在一起。
And Joseph, her husband, being an upright man, and not desiring to make her a public example, had a mind to put her away privately.
而她的丈夫约瑟夫是一个正直的人，不想让她成为公众的榜样，有心把她私下里抛弃。
But when he was giving thought to these things, an angel of the Lord came to him in a dream, saying, Joseph, son of David, have no fear of taking Mary as your wife, because that which is in her body is of the Holy Spirit.
但是当他想到这些事情时，主的天使在梦中来到他面前，说：大卫的子孙约瑟，不要害怕娶玛利亚为妻，因为她身体里的是圣灵的。
And she will give birth to a son, and you will give him the name Jesus, for he will give his people salvation from their sins. Now all this took place so that the word of the Lord by the prophet might come true.
他会生一个儿子，你要给他起名耶稣，因为他要把他的百姓从罪孽中拯救出来。现在这一切都发生，是为了让先知耶和华的话成真。
See, the virgin will be with child, and will give birth to a son, and they will give him the name Emmanuel, that is, God with us.
看，童贞女将带着孩子，并生一个儿子，他们会给他取名以马内利，即上帝与我们同在。
And Joseph did as the angel of the Lord had said to him, and took her as his wife, and he had no connection with her till she had given birth to a son, and he gave him the name Jesus.
约瑟照耶和华的使者对他说的做了，娶她为妻。在他生下儿子之前，他与他没有任何联系。他给他起了耶稣这个名字。